Kongololi ye kangorutochi sukulitab kanetisiet noto nebo Kenya Medical Training Institute KMTC nemite eng taunetab Eldoret, komwa PS noto nebo Public Health and Professionals Mary Muthoni kole nyolu eng ministry noto nebo tililindo kotuyogei eng kibagenge ak serikalishekab counties asikobit korutochi biikab emet ak kokochi kanetisiet netoreti konyorchigei kanyoiset nemokyingei eng kokwatinwek.
We have to collaborate very closely with the county governments to ensure that the programs and activities that we are doing are reaching the common mwananchi. And this is informed with by the many things that we have been able to do as a ministry. One, you saw the other day, the President of the Republic of Kenya flagged off 100,000 community health promoters. And CHPs are a game changer in this country. And I want to tell everybody that a CHP is one important person in the society, in the household, who is going to be the referral person and interlink between our health facilities and ourselves.
Kaikimit komwa ine kole nyolu eng serikali kotokokanapta sukulishek cheineti tetutik chebo tililindo kosubkei ak netokomokyingei sipitalishekab emoni kanyoik chotok cheyamei.
We still need more clinical officers. We need more nurses. We need all the other cadres, technologists, public health practitioners. We need more family health staff. We need them, and we will continue improving and placing more and more. This year alone, we were placing about 12,000 in all our campuses, but we had applications from about 50,000 across the country.
Kama Muthoni kole robe icheket eut maket ak tokchinetab president noto nebo kakimitetab kolsetab ketik ak ripsetab itonwekab emet kosubkei ak nenyoljin biikab emet konyor koristo noto nekararan.
14,000 people die every year out of climate change related issues. Respiratory diseases through emissions and inhalation that we do. Asthma, pneumonia comes from that. Therefore, as a Ministry of Health and Public Health in specific, I have the right to lead the public health specialists and everybody else in health to come out and plant trees in large numbers.
Kong'eteke taunetab Eldoret eng county nebo Uasin Gishu, logoiwekab emet chebo Kass, kainenyu ko Isaac Kogei.